Have you ever looked at your finances and thought, man, I need more places to stash my cash? Maybe you're tired of those traditional banks with their hidden fees and lackluster interest rates. Or perhaps you're just someone who likes options. Whatever the case, you've probably stumbled upon Wealthsimple Cash. But here's the burning question: how many Wealthsimple Cash accounts can you actually have? Let's dive in and find out. Now, Wealthsimple Cash is a pretty cool financial tool. It's like a digital wallet that lets you send and receive money instantly. You can also earn interest on your balance, which is always a nice perk. But can you have multiple accounts? Well, the short answer is, it depends. Let's break it down. First, we need to understand the different types of Wealthsimple accounts. There's Wealthsimple Cash, which is what we're focusing on today. Then there's Wealthsimple Invest, which is for investing your money. And finally, there's Wealthsimple Trade for more hands-on trading. So, can you have multiple Wealthsimple Cash accounts? Technically, yes. There's no hard and fast rule saying you can't. But here's the thing: Wealthsimple primarily targets individual users. So, while you can technically open multiple accounts under the same name, it might raise some eyebrows. Why would you even want multiple cash accounts? Well, there could be a few reasons. Maybe you want to separate your personal finances from your business finances. Or perhaps you're trying to budget by creating separate accounts for different spending categories. Now, if you're thinking about creating multiple accounts for some kind of shady financial scheme, let's just nip that in the bud. Wealthsimple has systems in place to detect suspicious activity. So, don't even think about trying to game the system. But let's say you have a legitimate reason for multiple accounts. What's the best way to go about it? Well, honesty is always the best policy. When opening a new account, be upfront with Wealthsimple about why you need another one. They might ask for some additional verification, but as long as everything checks out, you should be good to go. However, there's another angle to consider. While you can technically have multiple cash accounts, it might be simpler and more efficient to just use one account with multiple features. Wealthsimple offers a variety of tools to help you manage your money, from budgeting to saving goals. So, before you go creating a bunch of different accounts, take a good look at what your existing account offers. And remember, while Wealthsimple Cash is a great tool, it's not the only option out there. There are other digital banks and financial apps that might suit your needs better. So, do your research and compare features before making a decision. To wrap it up, you can technically have multiple Wealthsimple Cash accounts, but it's generally not recommended unless you have a good reason. Before creating multiple accounts, consider using the features offered by your existing account. And always be honest with Wealthsimple about your intentions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.